Caspians, we have some massive news following Kaspa's inception. Kaspa is about to take Japan by storm. You won't want to miss this information that I'm bringing to you guys in this video. If you're tuning in, you're a Caspian, you're new to Kaspa, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and also become a Patreon. Few of my patrons are already sitting in profits in a few projects that I've mentioned, and you don't want to miss out on these gains. Link to the Patreon is in the description. Become a Patreon now. I promise you it will be worth it. So right here from the official Kaspa page, on November 7th, 2021, history was made with the creation of the Kaspa Genesis block. To celebrate, a number of Kaspa ambassadors from around the globe are hosting meetups or online AMAs. Join one in your region and celebrate as a global community. Here's our Japanese dynamic duo, Bitmo, Sumidoki, and Boku Kaspa with their event news. More to come. So right here, taking over Japan, man. Kaspa Japan. Since Kaspa was released, as we celebrate our second anniversary AMA will be held in countries around the globe, and Japan is one of those countries. Now, the Asia market is absolutely massive. If you guys don't know, Hong Kong, for example, China, massive investors in crypto, and Japan, and I'm sure other Asian countries will be involved as well. That's where a lot of the new retail, in my opinion, are gonna be coming from in the space. That's where they're, because you know, the Asian market is still super untapped when it comes to crypto, in my opinion. And you know, Kaspa having representatives, ambassadors in Japan as well is just massive news. It's very bullish, and that will inspire more Japanese investors to take a look at Kas and potentially become a Caspian themselves, right? And you never know if Kaspa becomes super massive in the Asian community, right? Which is great overall, right? Kaspa Insider. In 2 years, Kas has done better than projects with properly laid out tokenomics, better than projects that have allocations for marketing campaigns, and better than projects that have employed experts to man different development roles. Doesn't that make you stop and think? It makes me stop and think, Kaspa Insider, that this space is a bunch of trash projects. That's what it makes me stop and think. This space is full of crap projects and a lot of devs out here that are just trying to enrich themselves and scam us as retail investors. So when there's great projects like Kaspa, solving the trilemma, you buy it. You don't even think twice, you buy it. Okay, like really think about it, man. There's so many projects that launch with these crazy, you know, allocations, these vestings, and just making the developers rich. Kaspa is just community funded, and look at what it's accomplishing, man. That OKX listing is the first, I think OKX is tier 1. That OKX listing is the first tier 1 Kaspa has, and that was just community driven, right? And it's gonna be the same thing with Binance and Coinbase. It's all gonna be community driven when we see the success of Kas, just like with Bitcoin. So many people that have the same idea, same ideology, led to the phenomenon that we see with Bitcoin, led to that phenomenon taking place. And it's the same thing here with Kas, right? Just a bunch of different people from all different walks of life, all different parts of the globe, with the same idea and ideology. Fix the money. The money's broken, fix it. How do we fix it? With great technology, with disruptive technology, and Kaspa is that, right? From our crypto talk, Kas has broken above 6-month long resistance, which would act as a support going into the bull run. Wow, that's crazy. The ascending wedge was anticipated to break below the support, but Kaspa is known for defying the trend. I've said this. Yeah, that is true actually. So now this 6 cents level, this 4 cent level at the previous all-time high is now support. And from the looks of things, Kas looks like it's gonna keep pushing up from here in price discovery. That's what it's looking like. Insane. So Again, I stated a lot of people were looking for lowering CAS. They were looking for like 4 cent, you know, somewhere between 4 cent, 3 cent. I was like, I said, you know, even if I wasn't consistently posting for you guys, I did say we're more than likely gonna range in this level because these 2 months of the year are typically bullish. So Kaspa's more than likely gonna range, retest the all-time highs, and then break out. And that's exactly what happened here. Soon as I saw the OKX listing, I was like, if you told the Telegram group, if you're on the sidelines of Kaspa, you're looking for a lower entry for CAS, don't wait, but get it now because it's gonna run. It ran. I'm even shocked that should I well, I had the resistance level saying 6 cent. It might get resistance at 6 cent. It didn't. It didn't stop. I shouldn't be shocked, man. It's Kaspa. I shouldn't be shocked. So it just continued up here, man. Crazy. The resistance level tested 4 to 5 times in the run, and CAS is finally broken above 5.7 cent, which is going to be a great level to buy after the cool offs. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, just like I stated, 6 cent is probably gonna be the next support level. If we do come back down, we're gonna hold support at 6 cents. That'll be the next entry point if it doesn't just continue up here, because it could. It really could, bro. It's Kaspa, right? The trend was also backed by the breakout RSI symmetrical triangle, which has invalidated previous bearish divergences. Kaspa integration with OKX, new listing on Poloniex, integration with change, decreased payment friction with their QR payment method for CAS. So massive breakout in the uptrend. OKX listing, I didn't even notice it got a Poloniex listing as well. Poloniex is also very massive, 557k followers. I might just talk about in a separate video. 557k followers for Poloniex, man. A massive exchange as well, right? So many users on Poloniex. But you know, OKX, to me, OKX is just under Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com. Then it's OKX. So the OKX listed was much bigger news in my opinion to me, right? Travline Crypto, CAS soars to new all-time high, 6 cents new mark. And from Albert Leistein, we'll see that in the next few days more volume on CAS. I guess 10 cent to 15 cent is very possible. Stated in videos, we could still see 10 cent CAS by the end of the year. It looks like that's about to happen. Bybit's 6th biggest exchange just listed CAS, and the daily volume is still about 1. Oh, Bybit list. I'm gonna have to make a video for all these listings. And the daily volume is still 1.5 million. This can change in a few days to over 20 plus million. Binance cracking. OKX will list soon. Okay, so for the OKX listing, I saw people saying, see 3.4 million followers for OKX, saying that it was the web wallet for OKX, but still, Bybit, the Bybit listing was massive. I think I talked about this. Yeah, the Bybit listing was some time ago. But the Poloniex listing is new, and the OKX listing, since we're on the wallet, or I'm not sure if we're fully on the exchange, if we're on the web wallet, that is still massive, and it just means that we will be on the official exchange. And when that happens, that's more than likely when you're going to see 10 to 15 cent CAS, because all the OKX traders are going to be like, oh, new project listed. You know, OKX has to buy CAS to list it on its exchange as well. Straight to 10, 15 cents before you know it, man. That is what, I would expect to happen, honestly, right? And it's the same thing with any more listings as well. Coinbase listing, massive breakout. Binance listing, massive breakout. And it's so incredible to me as well. Like, everything that's playing out for Kaspa is literally playing out for the cycle itself. It's playing out in a way where it's making these moves literally going straight into the top of the bull market, right? The listings, etc. as well. It's almost like destiny or something or fate. I know I'm kind of like I know a lot of people don't believe in stuff like that, but that's what it feels like. Like, everything is happening and playing out exactly to lead towards the top of the bull cycle, the bull market, right? The peak top, the Pico top, when Bitcoin is sitting at 100,000, if not more. Cas probably at $5, $4, $4 to $5 at that point, right? That's how it's playing out. So Caspians, once again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and also don't miss out on these gains to take profits, get more cash, or hold new projects long term. Become a Patreon in the description. Don't miss out. I'm telling you, it's definitely gonna be worth it to become a Patreon. It's only $25 a month, and I already got a few patrons that are in profits from a few projects that I've mentioned already. Okay, so don't miss out on the Patreon. Link to that is in the description. Once again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'll do my best to be more consistent. I'll catch you guys in the next one.